I believe, guys, that you know what's left. So now how we can use a private with the methods. It's very simple. It's absolutely the same like with attributes. So for example, I would like to put here a special method, for example here, and it will be a private method. So I will put here def like definition, but we know that private attribute is with 2 underscores. So here it will be with 2 underscores as well. So here I would like to say, okay, apply text. Okay, and the text will be 21%. Okay, so I would like to use here a price, so I will put it here. So we can use it if it's here already. So we have something like this, and we need to put, I guess we don't have, yes, we have a price here and here. So the price is $50, $60, and $70 for these books. So now I would like to use it here, so apply text. So it will be very simple. I will put here return self, but be careful, I would like to use a private attribute price, and it will be multiplied by 1.21. So the text is 21%. Okay, it will be so simple. Here I would like to put some round method, because it can be the result can be in decimal numbers. So I would like to round it to only 2 decimal numbers. Okay, the result. So and that's it. We have this private method, and we can use it in a different method here or here. And but be careful, because you can use it here. Okay, private method, it means that you can use it only in different method in the class book, not in the class bestseller. Okay, because it's private. So perfect. Now we have this method, but here be careful, because it doesn't mean that if you have a private method, there has not to be a private attribute. Okay, it's not a condition. Okay, this method can be private, and here we can use some public or protected attributes as well. Okay, so perfect. And again, here you can't use it here outside, but again, it's in please don't do that section, because again, like with attributes, you can do like something like this, class book underscore apply underscore text. I will check it. Apply underscore text. So sorry, I don't have. Oh no, that's it. That's exactly like this. So if I will run it, and you can see we have 60.5. So what does it mean? What it means that 50 is the price of this book, and 50 multiplied by 1.22 and round to 2 decimal numbers, it's the result 60.5. Okay, perfect. So again, you can use it like this, but please don't do that. Okay, it's possible technically, but it's convention that you can't do that here outside. Okay, so now we know everything about encapsulation. So it means public, private, protected, and we know how to use it with public, private, and protected attributes, and with public, private, and protected methods.